Hey guys, this is Abhishek, and I hope you must have enjoyed the previous exercise about returning the circumference of circle. So I've shown you how you can return the value of area of a circle and asked you to do the exercise. And now I want to extend. Oh my god, where it has gone. Let me just go down. Okay, so what I want to do is extend the return statement by returning multiple values, right? So that let's say you have the requirement where you are doing further more complex processing and a function need to return multiple values but not just a single value. Say for example both the area and circumference, right? Then how you can do that? If I try to do it right now, like return area comma circumference and all, it requires knowledge of tuples. Okay, so that's what I have it here for you, tuples. So what tuples are, like it has mentioned as an example, it is again like list collection of similar values. So in this case the different cities of India, Mumbai, Delhi and Bangalore. So the difference is that in list you have a big bracket, what I usually call, surrounded by big brackets, and here in case of parenthesis, in case of tuples. So let's say if I go ahead and execute that and say type is equals to cities, so it will give us the tuple, right, but not the list. So what I want is right now it is packed under cities. I can unpack it by saying city 1, city 2, city 3 is equals to cities, right? So it should not give us any issue. Now I have all the three variables in city 1, 2, 3. If I say city 1, I get Mumbai. If I get city 2, I get Delhi. If I get city 3, I get Bangalore, right? But the important part to remember is that tuples are immutable types. That means if I try to change, let's say cities 1 is equals to maybe Agra, so you get an error. Tuple object does not support item assignment, right? So this will not get modified if you try to, or this particular, where it has this particular list will not be modified, and throughout the program it will be same. So think like this, that here you are calling a function, let's say my underscore circle, and passing the value of radius, let's say 21.5, and what it is returning is 2 or 3 different output, right? And what you are doing is you are assigning it over here in 3 different variables, and that's how you can easily get multiple return values. So I really want that you experiment with it about how you can return it, but if not, if you could not find success, then I will show you in the next video how you can return the multiple values with the help of the tuples.